Still taking photos of your notes, ID cards or documents? Try this instead. I will show you the easiest way to scan handwritten notes, ID card and documents into PDF in seconds using just your phone. First, download the paper, scanner and PDF creator app from the Play Store. You can also find the download link in the description below. Now open the app and allow the required permissions like camera, photos and videos, and all files access. Now tap on Scan and create PDF on the home screen. Here choose Document Scan. Then simply point your camera at your handwritten notes. The app automatically detects the page, crops it and scans it clearly, so you don't have to adjust everything manually. If you are scanning an ID card, you can choose one side ID scan or two side ID scan option. Once your notes is scanned, tap on Next. Give your PDF file a name. Tap on OK and that's it. Within seconds, your handwritten notes are converted into a neat, professional-looking PDF that's ready to save, share or print. And if the PDF file is too large to send, you don't need another app. Just use the built-in compress PDF feature to reduce the file size while keeping the document clear and easy to read. So that was it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips. And which tech topic do you want me to cover next? Tell me in the comments below.